Are your games lagging on the PS5 console? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. When your gameplay is lagging on a PS5 console, ensure your internet connection is stable with sufficient bandwidth. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Then select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can contact your local service provider for help. For a more stable connection, try using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. You can also restart your router if needed. Method 2. Use a VPN. The next thing you can do is use a VPN service while playing games. VPNs can provide a more direct route to the game server, especially if the server is far away. By connecting to a server that is geographically closer to the game server, you might experience lower ping and latency, leading to smoother gameplay. Method 3. Change the video transfer rate. The next thing you should do is change the video transfer rate. To do that, open Settings. Select Screen and Video option. Then select Video Output. Try selecting a lower video transfer rate if available. Method 4. Tweak settings. The next thing you can do is tweak few system settings. Navigate to PS5 settings, go to Screen and Video. Select Video Output. Select Resolution and try out a lower resolution. Next, you can turn off the Variable Refresh Rate or VRR. Next, enable the 120Hz video output for games that support 120Hz frame rate. If that doesn't work for you, you can turn it off. Scroll down and next turn off the HDR. Turning off HDR during games on your PS5 can sometimes improve your gaming experience. HDR can add a small amount of input delay which might affect fast-paced competitive games. Turning off HDR can help reduce stuttering and improve responsiveness. Method 5. Update firmware. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 6. Update the game. The next thing you should do is check for the game updates. Highlight the game from the home screen of the PS5 console. Press the Options button. Select Check for Update to ensure the game is updated to the latest version. Method 7. Manage storage space. While a game is lagging on your device, you can delete unnecessary games or apps in the storage. To do that, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the unnecessary games and apps. Then select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Method 8. Reinstall the game. Next, you can uninstall and reinstall the game. To uninstall a game on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game and select the Delete option. Follow as shown to delete the game. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Method 9. Check for hardware issues. Ensure all cables connecting your PS5 to your TV and router are properly plugged in and secured. Any loose connection can cause the game to lag or there might be some other issues. Check for any visible damage or wear on the cables. Replace if necessary. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when games are lagging on your PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing VPNs and PS5 cables, check out the description below for links to the tag product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.